Okay, we are heading, actually we already are here. We are currently in Amherst, Massachusetts. We are about to go see Emily Dickinson's house, which is now transformed into a museum, which I am super stoked about. I watched the whole Dickinson series. I was obsessed with it. I thought it was so well done. And it made me really love Emily even more than I already did from what I had known. I learned so much more about her. And ever since finishing that series and longing for more episodes, I've wanted to go see her house. So that's what we're doing today. I hope it lives up to my expectations. I'm truly hoping that it will be like walking into the 1800s, and I'm really excited. So let's do it. Oh, and before we do, let's do a little, I got on my Selkie dress and flowers because she loved flowers. So paying a little tribute to Emily. And I tried doing like a little 1830s, I think. To that of which only a handful were published while she was alive. Emily's schooling was exceptional for girls in the 19th century, however not as unusual for those that lived in Amherst. Although centuries have passed, I felt in this moment I was who printed a few of her poems anonymously and apparently without consent. Therefore, a vast majority of her work remained unknown. So the question still stands, did she wish to be published? No one knows for sure, but we do know from many instances that she was hesitant. After Emily's passing, Lavinia, her sister, was instructed to destroy all of Emily's personal correspondence after death, but instead she decided to publish her poems. So thanks to Lavinia, we have the works of Emily Dickinson. If you would like to support me more and receive extra content for yourself, as well as a closer connection with me, please consider joining my Patreon. I put out new content weekly, which includes but is not limited to exclusive photo galleries, a monthly playlist, voting power and future content and videos, lives, vlogs, early access, industry insider tips and knowledge, extendeds, and much more depending on which tier you join at. My Patreon is for kindred, sensitive, empathic souls who need extra support and inspiration, and I would love to have you join our safe space of the internet. If you wish to have access to more free content, you can always find me on Instagram and TikTok, which is linked below. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, and don't forget to be your own muse. I'll catch you in the next one.